Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori. As you already knew that though, right? Okay, so where have I been? It's been a month and a day. Now actually it's been 2 months since I've done a video. I didn't record anything in April. That's a long story, and there went a moth. It's attracted to my light, the demon child. Anyhow, April, I'll explain that in just a minute. It was not my fault, it was YouTube's. Again, this is the May. This is the May 2021. And you know how we know it's a base box? Because the inside of the box is red. I tell you that every time. It gets old, but some people that are just tuning in for the first time did not know that. Every one of the boxes is different. Boxyluxe is black inside. Boxy Premium is baby blue. Okay? Like this. May, it was Flourish. Very pretty, gorgeous, absolute flowers. I mean, we're thinking, hey, it's coming down the pike. It's spring. It's introducing us to what? Summer. Because over here in California, it's getting hot. Anyway, the back of the card, that's the card that comes inside your box. The back of the card, you can tell right here, has a list of all the items that are in your box, including, obviously, double check, make sure the one you chose. Down at the bottom, you have some information that is either important to you or it is not. There are some numbers. It says C2121 is the year 2021, 05 is the month, the 5th month, meaning May, and then the numbers after that, 093, that is my variation. Then it's a dash BA. BA stands for base, just so you know. All right, let's get on with this. This is the Flourish. This is the May. This is my choice was the Tarte. This is the concealer, I believe. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand, and I got mine in a glow. The color is called a glow. So this is the one that I chose. A lot of people chose. You probably saw it on a lot or in a lot of videos. I love Tarte. I love their products. I have a lot of them, mostly eyeshadows. I do have their Shape Tape, like their primers, and I do have their foundations. Not hot on them because there's too much coverage and I don't like a lot of product on my face. So anyhow, this is this little booger right here on the top up here, which I did see a lot of people having a difficult time trying to open that. You have your product with your wand. Doe foot right there. It's a little flat doe foot. I don't even think it is a doe foot. It looks like an applicator. It is. And I gotta say right now, it may or may not be my color. Look at that. I think it is. I think I did a good job. I think I picked the right one. I have a tough time matching colors to me because of my complexion with products and items that we have to choose in all of the different beauty box subscriptions that I have quite a bit. But when you get to choose something and it says here's all the different shades, especially if it's a foundation, a concealer, if it is a face powder, bronzers, contours, highlighters, you name it, and when it comes to the colors, certain colors don't go with me. I have a tough time with products like this. So I have to see it, feel it, touch it, try it. On the other side, you got this little spongy sponge, you know, kind of like it's like the Juno & Co. little blender. Okay, so it's got a little blender on the side. Tap, tap. Oh, I'm dirtying this thing and didn't even think about it. But you can tap it away, blend it all in. See, nice like that. It does come out. Okay, so it does come out so you can get it clean, which is what I'm going to do with all my brushes anyhow after I did my face to do this recording, make this video. So I will go ahead and wash this little guy right here. But anyhow, this is a pretty little cool thing that pops in your purse, pops in your luggage, overnight bag, wherever you're going. Maybe leave it in your desk at work throughout the day. Little touch-ups. You got your little sponge on the other side. how much we got going on right there. That's $27. This is $27. That's how much they said it has in its value, its retail value. All right. The next one is a Beekman 1802. And that looks like this thing right here in this frosty container. Not really sure what this thing is. I did try to open it several times and was unsuccessful. Okay, so I just got this thing open. It is Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. Okay, I'm game. I'm not going to open it right now. I do have several eye serums that I am using currently, and you know, hopefully this thing is sealed. And you know what, to be honest with you, it's cute. It's in like a little canvas bag. It's in its own overnight bag. But I have a lot of product open right now, and what I did is I reduced a lot of the stuff that I did have open that I wasn't using, that I knew was going to either expire or go bad because it was already, the seals were open and so forth. So I had my granddaughters over and I filled up 3 huge buckets, plastic buckets that we got, and sent it with them so they can play with it and share it with their mom. All very grateful. Anyway, this little tiny bottle is at $42. Okay. It says, well, we'll get into that in a minute. Okay. It does have a little pump. I can see the product inside through the light illuminating on it, and it does look like it's either only filled to here, or that's, you know, okay, if you shake it. Okay, never mind. It's full. I was going to say, for a little tiny container, $42. This stuff better do some serious magic on these eyes, because I have mature skin. I'm 54 years old. I'm going to be 55 at the end of this, well, towards the end of this year. And you know what? We're getting older. I am. My age group, we're getting older. We're starting to look different. Every year we look a little different. So take care of your skin. Invest in your skincare routine. That's all I'm going to say about that, at least in this video. Okay, so there you go, $42. The next one is First Aid Beauty, and this is the HaloFab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. That's this guy right here. And this one comes in at $30. Okay, so here we go. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And this is safe for sensitive skin. Now, I believe I have the large one of this that came in that Trendmood. So, and this should have a seal. They're really good about putting, see? So this thing, the expiration clock will not start until I pull that tab. And then on the back, it tells me that it's got a 12-month clock. So that's really good. So this thing's going to last for 12 months once I pull that tab. Nice. What did I say this was? $30? It's a little pricey. Okay, the next one is Dry Bar, and this is the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Right here. This guy right here. Now, my hair's very different. My hair, it gets dry in the summertime. It gets dry in the wintertime. The only other time that it's really nice and it's moisturized is in between those two transition seasons going into the next. So, this is a heat protectant mist. However, I dedicated myself to stopping. I'm not using heat anymore on my hair. I'm trying to get my curl back. So this can sit in my cupboard, or I can give it to my girls in a giveaway, you know, so forth and so on. But I probably will not be popping this top and using it anytime soon. I just can't. You guys, seriously, see this curl? This is not even that tight. This is a really loose curl. And I have to spray it with water, treated water every night to make sure that it curls, the curl pulls back up. The elasticity in it snags back up. So that's what I've been doing, but I'm not touching the heating tools. So anyhow, I know that was just a long drag. Who cares, right? $27. $27. That seemed like a bit on the high. Seems like a bit on the high side for me. I'm just saying. 27 bucks. All right. The last one is Tint Beauty, and it's the Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. So we got this one right here, and it does look like it's a beautiful green. Can you see that? That ombre type of, yeah, on the box. This one's $18, and I think it is green. It says Forest is the name of the color. All right, so we got the, check this out. Look at this. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool, right? Ah, ooh, it's those really nice creamy. That's where my Tarte was. Oh, nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the green. I don't know if you can tell that it's forest, but it is very, it's a nice pencil. It's a nice pencil. Very pretty. One of those creamy pencil tips. Does it go up or go down? No. You know the pain in the butt thing about this is I don't know how far that pencil goes down, but you cannot, if you can, let me know in the comments down below. But as far as I know, you cannot sharpen these plastic containers. So I don't know if you just keep pulling on it, because nothing is going to allow it. Once that little tip's gone, I mean, that's kind of it. So if you're spending $18 on this little pencil and the only thing that you can use it is as far as that tip will go, that's, nah, I'm sorry, but I wouldn't spend my money on that. I like the soft, the really nice smooth tip pencils. I don't like the regular ones, you know, that sharpen like a regular pencil, you know, like this, that are the colored ones. I don't like those. You have to heat them up on the back of your hand. Then once you start going on your eyes or wherever you're applying it, you know, your eyelids, which are very sensitive, at least mine can be, it hurts, you know, because the color doesn't really transfer that well. Anyway, $18 for this TYNT Tint Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. $144. Am I happy with my box? I am. Now, if I was to try to remember what was in this box, what was everybody wanting, what was everybody complaining and bickering about that they didn't get, that they wanted, that they hoped they got, well, I know right now that there's a lot of complaints going on, especially through Instagram, stating that the quizzes that they take, the beauty quizzes that they take when they sign up for Boxy, are not being followed. Now, there are some, how you call it, moving around, a lot of parts moving around within BoxyCharm, and things are starting to fall into place. Things are starting to become better. They're improving. So I do not get any PR for this. However, I do have a new Instagram account. It is specifically for Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and I do post for them. They did not ask me. I did not enter into any kind of contract. They just know that that is what I do. They appreciate it, and they show their appreciation by supporting my new Instagram account. So, and it's not just all about them. It pretty much is. About 90% of it is them, and the other 10% is kind of my beauty posts if I want to. And by the way, if you do subscribe to Ipsy and get any of the beauty bags, or you subscribe to Boxy, you can DM me on my Instagram, BoxyCharm over 50. That is what it is. And send me your picture. And I know a lot of people are always like, oh my God, I can't wait to get featured by Boxy. You know, the tag. Show me. If you did a really cool picture and I look at it and say, you know what, this is worth going on my wall. I'll put you up for 24 hours. Actually, I think it stays up for longer than that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a box of makeup for me at this point in time. I'm kind of going through a lot of stuff right now, and that's another time for another video some other place. Well, you know what I mean. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really, really, really appreciate it. Do me a favor. As I said, there's an up button and there's a down. However you feel, it's up to you. And please subscribe, hit that notification bell. It'll let you know when I upload another video. And hopefully I can get on track, get all of these boxes unloaded, share them with you no matter what, even though they are 2 months late. Who cares, right? You still want to see what Lori got. I hope. I want to share it with you. If I share it with 1 or 2 people, I don't care. I don't care. All right, you guys, take care. Bye. Hey, hang on. I got some more videos. So if you wonder why I'm still going to be wearing this same shirt, because tonight I'm going to be recording quite a bit.